Welcome to the SRP 3.0 tutorial series. In this series of short videos, we'll explore different features of SRP 3.0. In this particular video, we're going to look at general navigation. The items we're going to look at in this video are going to be the mode selector, the location selector, the main menu, the global search, and the work tabs. So let's look at the mode selector first. First of all, the mode selector is a drop-down button that allows you to select different modes in the system. Cluster mode is the mode you're going to spend most of your time in, and it's the only mode that allows for data entry. We look at a particular record, you'll see that there are some buttons across the top. If I switch the mode to one of the other modes, you'll see that those buttons get grayed out, so you can't save any information. These modes are important because they provide different set of tools. So if I switch to a different mode, the tools will change within the system. The system will remember the mode you were in before, so if someone else goes into your cluster file and changes the mode and leaves, and then you come in, that mode might change on you. So it's important to take a look up there and make sure you're in cluster mode if you're intending to do data entry. The next item that we're going to look at is the location selector. Your data set is going to have a certain amount of information in it. For the most part, it's going to be localized to your cluster. You may have a particular data set that has multiple clusters in it or an entire region. That's when this location selector becomes important, because it allows you to drill down and select which level of information you want to look at. If you want to look at all of the cluster, or a particular locality within the cluster, or if the location has focused neighborhoods, you can actually drill down into a particular focused neighborhood. So if you ever find yourself doing a search or looking at a list view and not seeing everything you expected, check to make sure that you're looking at the cluster level or you're looking at the level that you want it to. So next item is the main menu. Below these two mode and selector and the location selector, we have our main menu. We have the home button, which has some graphical information, and then some location, some list buttons. We have the location list, individual list, activities list, and cycle list, and then report, tools, and help. We'll look at each of these in a future video, but it's important to note that this is the main menu and it allows you to switch from different list views or go into reports and your tool set. Next item is the global search. The global search is on the right-hand side of the main menu. And if you click on it, it allows you to search your three top-level lists, your location, individual, and activities, by any type of name. So if I put in Peter, it will show all the individuals that have Peter in the name. Lastly, what we want to look at is an item called work tabs. If you look at the bottom of the screen, you'll see I have three tabs here. As you move in and out of records within SRP 3.0 or open up a new report, it will create these tabs for you. And what the tabs allow you to do is to switch back and forth between the different locations. So if you need to look up information, you can quickly go up, look up that information without leaving or closing the tab you're on, and then coming back to that tab. Thank you for watching this video. Look forward for more videos on this series in our YouTube channel.